asawa ko. Asawa ko lang.
Okay. First things first, gusto ko na sabihin kayo, naiiyak ako. Congratulations. Okay, Bloom, sabihin natin, welcome back, BD, in 3, 2, 1! Okay, and dahil dyan, girls, I think, do you guys have anything that you want to say for Blooms, the 88 Blooms?
Hi, Blues! Narinig niyo ako? Lahat na nasa likod, narinig niyo ba kami? Yes! Hello! I love your energy. Itong pag-welcome sa amin. It feels so welcome. Thank you, guys. Thank you for making time. It's a Tuesday and work niyo, diba? Sino dito mga nag-leave? Sino mga hindi nagpaalam sa work? Oh, yun. Yes, sana enjoy lang natin to. Yes, you are the lucky.
Yes. Diba? Okay, so I think actually meron kaming surprise for you guys from our Blooms. Okay, let's call in our representatives from the Blooms to give you guys a mini surprise. And syempre, congratulations also to BTS. You guys can take your seats. Go ahead, girls. Grabe, diba? They're here to celebrate with us. And also, we also want to recognize yung mga May celebrants natin, Maloy and Sheena! Yes! Happy birthday, guys!
Ayan na. Mag-abot pa ako.
Happy birthday to you! Okay. Okay. Perfect. Ayan yung surprise ng mga Blooms natin for you girls. So of course, welcome you guys back and to congratulate you for a successful Coachella. And not only that, women in Billboard, Summer Sonic, lahat na. Okay, there you go. And we also have our birthday cakes for Maloy and Sheena. Ayun, o diba? May ano. Okay, Blooms, dahil may birthday cakes tayo, syempre, let's sing for Maloy and Sheena in 3, 2, 1! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yes, pwede po kayo Okay, Sheena and Maloy, take your time to make your wish and blow out your candle.
Ganda niya. Ito, yung main.
Yay! Happy birthday, Maloy and Sheen! There you go. We wish you guys a very beautiful and successful year ahead. And I think our Blooms also deserve a photo op with our Nation's Girl group. So let's have our Blooms dito po sa likod. I think, yes. Okay. Kasha po ba? Ay, wali. Okay, dito na lang po. Yes. Okay, let's have the tables moved lang. Para may space tayo for the Blooms. Okay, there you go. Let's have our Blooms. Okay. Thank you so much to our Blooms for surprising our girls. So beautiful. Okay. Let's all smile in 3, 2, 1. also have our bouquets and our cupcakes or mini cakes placed down kasi meron po tayong game with Beanie and our Blooms. We'll be playing a very short game with them. This is called our Be-Back game. Yes. Beanie verse and chorus game for today. Okay, so habang tinatanggal po namin yung mga bouquets namin, we would like to call on our pre-selected Blooms to join us. This is one from each table. So we'd like to call on Bloom Shane, Jinky, Eunice, Dane, Jaya, Uno, V, and Chrisia. So please come up on stage as you will be playing and you've been selected to play with our Nations Girl group. Again, Shane, Jinky, Eunice, Dane, Jaya, Uno, V, and Chrisia. Chrisia. Okay? Yes, please come up here on stage. And basically, what you guys have to do, ang kailangan niyong gawin, magbuburat po kayo ng lyric and you have to arrange the lyrics correctly and then sing together in unison. Okay? Sing your lyric. Okay, there's our Mahiwagang Bowl with the lyrics. Let's have, again, Shane, Jinky, Eunice, and Dane, please come up on stage beside our girls. Huwag kayong mahiya. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete. And dahil dyan, I think let's switch para alternate. Yes. Okay. Para alternate tayo. O, diba? I love the shoes ko ulit. Bongga. Okay. Let's have our Mahiwagang Bowl here. And then let's make okay, magbura tayo ng lyrics dyan. Tapos, we have 20 seconds to arrange the lyrics correctly. Okay, wag mo na. Wag mo na basahin. 20 seconds to arrange each other. Yes. I think this song is Sugar Rush. Tama? Okay. So, the song is Sugar Rush. Arrange the lyrics in 20 seconds. 20 seconds? Hindi. So, basically, teammates kayong lahat. Ganon. Okay? So, you need to arrange again the lyrics correctly from Sugar Rush. Okay, pwede nyo nang basahin para meron kayong idea ng slide. Okay, 20 seconds starts now! Okay, ayan. O, diba, medyo intense talaga itong game na to. May pa-time pressure. Okay. How many more seconds? Oh, nagpili lang si ate. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay! Okay. So wherever you guys are placed. Okay. Let's see. I think meron po tayong instrumental. Tama po. Dahil dyan, I think meron mic dito si Staff. Since siya yung first. Tapos pass the mic na. Guys, sabayan niyo yung song, ha? Ay, ikaw yung first? Okay, sige. Jane is the first. O, diba? Tapos na yung 20 seconds pero carry. Para lang sa global force natin. Diba? Okay, Jane, sabayan po natin yung song. Tapos pass nyo lang yung mic, Miss Dana. In 3, 2, 1, instrumental, go.
Anyway, this is what baby I don't wanna show. I thought of chocolate makes me running for some more. Collect the sweetest candy in the store. What is this feeling? Oh, you're making me blush. The other sugar rush.
Let's give it up for group number 1. Congratulations, group number 1. Successful sila. Walang daya talaga, guys. Diba? Naka 30 seconds sila. But congratulations, group number 1. Thank you so much to our first 4 Blooms for joining us dito. Congrats, guys!
Yes, Ate Maloy.
Okay. Now let's have our second group, Maloy, Gwen, She, and Jo. And of course, our next 4 Blooms to join us. I think that is, again, Miss Kriza, Uno, V, and yung last is Miss Jaya. Okay, let's have them here. Okay. goal. Go. Claim your lyrics. Okay, this is Unang Kilig. Ay. Okay, 20 seconds to arrange, okay? 20 seconds to arrange the lyrics for Unang Kilig. In 3, 2, 1, timer starts now! Okay, may nagbibilang dyan. Go ahead. Okay, there you go. Ay, ang bilis. Okay na? Ang bilis nila eh. How many seconds po yun? With 4 seconds left. So, ibig sabihin, naka 16 seconds lang sila for group number 2. Congratulations. And dahil dyan, it's time to sing your song. Ay, wait lang, sorry. Kuha lang ako ng mic dito. Okay, the first one, Jo, ikaw yung muna. Okay, instrumental for Unang Kilig starts now.
Thank you, everyone. We'll split up the 300 songs into 4 pairs.
Ay, super ganda. Yung vibe ng song, ako, ito may imagine ko na yung sa mga harmonies, dito mo kung may choreo yun. Kailangan natin itaas, so feeling natin deserve ka makasali sa vibe. Feeling natin natin, ano namin yung kukuha ko ng kapag. Kung ako sa next level yung sound nyo, congratulations.
Okay, so once again, this is Beanie Verse and Chorus, which is a 10-episode reality show coming out this May 21. The first show, or this is the first show ever to have this kind of execution where Blooms get a chance to write songs for Beanie. And dahil dyan, syempre, I would like to call again yung mga Blooms that joined us a while ago for our Beanie Verse and Chorus game. Dahil meron po tayong Q&A with you guys. Yes, please join us here in front po. Yes. Okay. Hello, Miss Crizia, Miss Uno, and we also have, yes, Miss Eunice, and Miss Dane. Okay, first question. Okay. What is your all-time favorite Beanie lyric? Diba? I love the song. Pagpalakpakan po natin siya, Blues. Perfect. Ikaw naman, what is your all-time favorite Beanie lyric?
Huling cha-cha. Simple lang naman
Yes, ay makiligin lang siya, di ba? I love it. Ay, ikaw naman, Miss Eunice, favorite, all-time favorite Beanie lyric?
From Carrera.
Si Ate Maloy daw, si Auntie Maloy. Okay, ito, Miss Dane.
Dito muna pa.
Ay, mag-alin.
Dito muna tayo hanggang umangit ay maging kulay.
Dito muna tayo, 90s na ako. Yes. Okay. Miss Shane, ikaw.
Sa Carrera din po.
Yes. Okay, and last but not the least, Miss Jaya. All-time favorite. Ay, may pa. I love it. Okay, Miss Jaya.
Katabi. I can't wait to see you again.
Diba? Okay, next question. If you could write a song for Beanie, what would the title be?
May hope.
Forever. Okay, ikaw naman, Miss Dane.
kasi may hope na, may love na.
Please stay forever. Stay. Forever mo. Okay. I love it. O, diba? Napaka-creative talaga ng mga blooms natin. Guys, palakpakan po natin yung mga 8 blooms who joined us for our Beaters and Chorus. Napakaganda ng ideas nyo. Thank you guys so much. Maraming salamat. You guys can now take your seats and enjoy the rest of the show. But before anything, of course, I think our global leader is here. Yes, global leader, Miss Joanna Robles. Global leader. Yes. Okay, go Jo. Is there anything else you want to say about Beanieverse and Chorus? Go ahead.
Yes, mapapanood nyo na po ang Beanieverse and Chorus po sa I Want app and I Want YouTube channel for free. Plus, ang Beanieverse and Chorus po kasi, anyone can send their entries po ng own song nila kasi syempre may mga talented Bloom songwriters tayo. Katulad nung Nana nandito lang namin, Bloom yung nagsulat nun. So, di ba? Di nyo alam, baka mamaya yung mga songs nyo yung next na ipe-perform natin sa next sa concerts, di ba? Kung may talent kayo, pwede magpasa dito sa Beanieverse and Chorus. Tapos, pwede rin kayong tumulong sa amin sa pag-vote. Anyone can vote para matulungan nyo kami sa magiging final pick namin. Kasi hindi pa po tapos. Yung mapapanood nyo dito, yung mga pinakita kaninang teaser, nasa ano pa lang kami, parang nasa 12 yung last namin. Pero, syempre madami pa yun. Kailangan pa namin mamili. And nahihirapan din kami magbawas. So, tulungan nyo kami. Yung teaser, inutusan, tulungan nyo kami. Tapos, yung episodes na to, back-to-back, drop po yan every Thursday and Friday starting on May 21 and 22. Abangan niyo po yan. Masaya yan, masaya yan. Medyo masakit na sa ulo kasi from 100 songs, 300 songs, yung isa-isa po namin Bini, ang pinakinggan po talaga namin. So sana ma-appreciate niyo, Blues.
Gusto ko malaman, Jo, sa 300 songs na yun, may pa-mash up ba kayo ng mga lyrics or ideas from the songs?
May mga
Comments kami na may potential, may mga comments kami na bago for Beanie, na gusto namin i-try. Tapos, pwede ba? Wag na. Sige, sabahan na lang, guys.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, Jo. Again, that is Beanieverse and Chorus again for free on the I Want app and I Want YouTube channel. Watch out starting May 21 and 22, 2026. We're so excited to hear yung mga gawa talaga ng mga talented blooms and songwriters natin. So, abangan niyo ulit. And ito, syempre, the moment we've all been waiting for also. I think it is time for our very intimate Maria and Date with our girls as they will be rotating per table. Meron po tayo, meron po tayo 2 minutes per table, yes. And we have very strict rules po na yung mga phones nyo po, our volunteers will be putting them in a container para mas intimate talaga and mas, ano tawag dito? Diba mas genuine yung interaction natin with Beanie. So again, our oriented interaction segment, each Beanie member will visit one table at a time for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes, our girls will proceed to the next table. So this will all continue until all 8 members have visited all of the tables. And again, no phones po for this segment. Our volunteers are now getting your phones para mas intimate and mas genuine po yung interaction natin with Beanie. Okay? And we can start, I think, we have a total of 8 tables with 11 members. So table number 1, Jo. Table number 2, Sheena. Table number 3, Gwen. Table number 4, Maloy. Table number 5, Staku. Table number 6, Aya. 7, Mix. And 8, Colette. So we'd like to invite our girls. You guys can now head on over to your tables. And again, we have a total of 2 minutes with Beanie. And I will be timing you guys and reminding you guys. Yes, Jo, go. Table number 1. Table number 2 is she. 3 is Gwen. 4 is Maloy. 5 is Staku. 6 is Aya. 7 is Mix. And 8
Okay, 2 minutes is now up. Let's rotate to the next table. I think all our girls are in our table now. So 2 minutes starts now.
Okay, I think our girls are ready. Let's start things off with table, siguro, okay, let's start with table number 8 since sila yung yung last table natin. Table number 8, please make your way dito on stage for a quick photo op with Beanie. Okay, so I think we'll have the bloom sit sa carpet. Okay, this is table number 8. Again, we would like to remind everyone na meron po tayong official photographer here. Okay, let's all smile in 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Table number 8, table number 7, please make your way to our stage and we'll ask table number 6 to prepare. Again, table number 7, please make your way here. And table 6, please prepare. There you go. Table number 7 and table number 6, please prepare. Pasok, compress na ako konti there para kita po lahat. Let's all smile.
Okay na po. Okay, 3, 2,
3, 2, 1.
Last one. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Table number 7, table number 6, please make your way here. And table number 5, please prepare. Okay, again, table number 6, please make your way to the stage. As for table number 5, please prepare.